guys, I never understand that what are they doing here. You can see a lot of people that are working around. They wear very new traditional house. I think there's something like a funeral. They're killing a buffalo. This is amazing, guys. I think this is a funeral. Okay, I just came here. I'm not sure what is happening right here, but you can see here. This is the funeral. Here, they're cooking the buffalo meat. Okay, you see over there, that's buffalo. I just showed you just a few minutes ago. They are killing a buffalo, and this is the buffalo meat. Right now, they're cooking. It's amazing, and that's buffalo meat. You can see. So this is a drum with the Hmong traditional can. So whenever we have funeral, that one man he gonna sing the king, and one man he gonna draw. I'm not sure, but yeah, and you can see something like that every time when we have funeral. It's beautiful. Something this, but you know, after like one people die, and after that, like 1 or 2 years, they're gonna make something like this in a cold bath. Like they say that they call the soul, and they bring the soul to meet the God. Something like that, and that's why right now you see a man. He is calling the soul that she already dead. You know why I know this is a she? Because you see over there there are address on the house. Okay, address on the house. Beautiful. And you know, every time we have funeral, though they gonna drink drink a lot of wine. That's something we call invite white. Invite white mean that a man gonna host a bottle of wine and also a cup that he will invite somebody to drink the wine. You can see. Let me show you. I'm not sure they have that. You can see right now the man, he holds 2 bottles of wine. He's gonna invite somebody. Okay. Example like this. He's gonna invite somebody because he's hold 1 bottle of wine and 1 glass. So let's see. Let's follow him and see how this is. You can see they make some wines from the bamboo. This is he invites him. They're gonna toss something. It's beautiful, guys. I love to see this. I hope this video gonna one of the beautiful video that I haven't posted to you. This is yes, this is funeral. Okay, my funeral. Beautiful. They're making a funeral in a beautiful place with a lot of people. You see all the people that wear black clothes like this. They are black Hmong. Okay, they're black Hmong ethnic minority. But because we not really wear traditional clothes like this, and whenever we have a special day like a funeral, wedding, and some New Year, then we wear very new traditional clothes like this. But normal day we never wear something like this. Okay, so today is very special. You see everybody wear traditional clothes. Everybody very special. Killing a buffalo. It's a kind of big buffalo. It's really big. This is buffalo meat. That's incredible. Buffalo meat. Very nice. And you see the 4 women right there, they're female, so they wear different dress, okay? With different clothes. And they wear beautiful clothes with the hand. And a lot of things new to you right here. Okay, I hope that you're gonna see, I hope that you see something beautiful on here. Thank you so much, guys. If you love this video, you can share it to your friend, subscribe to my channel. I will send you more video about my traditional way to share with you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.